Now, I want you all to understand what I'm trying to tell you, and you probably need to know that this Pokemon is still alive and should be part of the Pokedex. This Pokemon came to life on Pokemon Live, a an old live experience show that starred a really rare mechanical Pokemon based on the strongest Pokemon in the universe. That's right. We're talking about the genetic Pokemon Mewtwo. Tonight, we're gonna draw the Pokemon Live show exclusive mechanical. Well, this is the first time actually drawing this guy. It's sort of a digital copy of the legendary Pokemon. Tonight, we're gonna draw. His name is MECHAMEW2. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. As you may have probably noticed, feels kind of rare to see that this Pokemon is, well, his body is completely gold, and it's supposed to be a mechanical copy of Mewtwo. But unfortunately, this guy doesn't look anything like Mewtwo, unless you count the armor Mewtwo and the hands. It's sort of a. It's supposed to look like it's mechanical. It's supposed to look like armored Mewtwo or something. At least that's what it's supposed to be. Anyway, back then I was researching with Copilot and finding out more on how and where Mewtwo has made more appearances besides the movies we know. And when I found out about Mecha Mewtwo, I was like, how come I've never discovered this before? I've been wanting to draw this for quite a while, and here we go. And here we go. There's the upper body. Now we're just gonna draw the rest of him. Here's the mechanical arm. There we are. all times, why is it scalding in here? It's like the Gobi Desert. So, you remember this card trading business called Rip and Ship Gaming? Well, I've been to that place before. And the first time I went there was to get my hands on Terapagos. And I did. You want to know something else? I drew a huge, well, I I drew something for them. I placed it on Google Maps, and well, I placed it there to raise the business. That place should be that place should sell T-shirts. Sorry about that. There we are. Sorry about that, fans. There we are. That is how you draw MECHAMEW2. If you want to see more, you're free to check out my Legend ZA collection system. And don't you worry, fans. I have the game. Let's see. Aha, here it is. You'll be expecting more Mega Evolved Pokemon real soon. I promise.